Stop scrolling through endless listings. Your first Upwork client is waiting. First things first, your Upwork profile is your digital handshake. Think of it as your personal billboard. Upload a professional, friendly profile picture. €1 no selfies with sunglasses allowed. Craft a headline that clearly states what you do and the value you bring instead of just writer. Try engaging blog content writer, SEO optimized articles. Next, dive into your profile description. Highlight your most relevant skills, even if they come from non-freelance experience. Did you organize events in college? That's project management. Did you help a friend troubleshoot their computer? That's technical support. Use keywords clients are likely to search for. Speaking of skills, be specific. If you're a graphic designer, list logo design, social media graphics, and brochure design. This helps in filtering jobs and demonstrates your expertise. Now, let's talk proposals. This is where you win the job. Don't just copy and paste. Read the client's job description carefully. Address their specific needs directly in your proposal. If they mention a particular challenge, explain how you'll solve it. Showcase your relevant work with a link to your portfolio on Upwork or another platform. Quantify your achievements whenever possible. Did you increase website traffic by 20% for a previous client? Mention it. This builds trust and shows results. Winning your first few jobs builds your reputation. Always aim for 5-star reviews by delivering excellent work on time and communicating clearly with your clients. Ask for feedback at the end of a project. A positive reputation is your golden ticket to more opportunities and higher paying gigs on Upwork. Start building your freelance career today. €1 your first Upwork job is within reach.